All right, class, let's look at last week's assignment. All right, so we had net income for 2018. All right, if I can type today. So we had $1,000 in it, okay? We have to add back depreciation, okay? Depreciation's not real. It was $683. And then we also had a decrease in receivables, okay, of 292, okay? How do I get that? 217, 2018. Do I keep putting 2019? It must have been a good year. My daughter was born that year. Yeah, that's why. All right, 2017, we had 1,347, and we had 1,490. And then we're going to minus this, and I'm going to have 289. So that is decrease in receivables, and I'm going to link that over here. All right, so that gives me a total. Those are the things that I'm adding. I'm adding depreciation back. I'm adding decrease. I'm also going to have to, so I'm going to just put a total right here. Total. And then I'm going to go ahead and add these all in with the sum function. Here we go. All right. Now I'm going to have to less some things. All right. The first one is short-term investment. Okay. The short-term investment was 345 because we invested that. We don't have that into the cash. We can argue and say that it's cash equivalent, but in this case, we're just going to keep it out there, in there. We did have a short-term investment. In here, short-term increase in short-term. Increase in short-term investment. I'll spell it all out. And that was, if we look over here, just trying to extend my screen. It's letting me. It's not letting me. So hold on. Let me see if there we go. And I'm going to just delete these. All right. So my short-term, my increase in short-term investments, okay, was under my current assets, 6,081, 2,000, and 2,032. All right, just dragged it down, which gives me a negative 351. Okay, there we go. Okay, we had, sorry, this wasn't short term, this was inventory. Now it's 345. My inventory change from 4,864 to $5,209, and I'm just going to drag this down. That's my 345. All right. I also have a you had other assets, and if we look over here, there's 384 for the other assets and 438. That is negative 54. There we go. Negative 54. All right. So let's see here. I got other current assets. Let's call that other current assets so we can be right. All right. We're going to have a decrease in accounts payable. And we have the undeemed gift cards. So let's go ahead and let's look at our decrease in accounts payable. Okay, we had 4,984. Then we had 2,776. Then we had a $2,002 decrease here. So we want to decrease that. Oops, I shouldn't put that negative in there. 2,208. Okay, undeemed gift cards was 427, and then 485. That was $42. All right. Then we also had working capital. So we can working capital in here, provided in operations. Okay. So here in here is we have to do our total. So our working capital is negative $1,119. We have to increase our property, plant, and equipment. So I'm just going to put PPE. Okay. That was actually a negative 128. We got to do our change in current and long-term debt. That is positive 95. Okay. And we have the net use of cash. So we'll do this. So we're at negative $1,000.52, and we had our beginning cash flow, which is given, and that was 2,240. So ending cash flow for 2018 was these two. We'll just add them together. And so it equals $1,188. Now you need to make sure that you put this in the correct format. This is just a quick and dirty way of showing you how to get this. If you have any questions or concerns, let me know.